Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select Extrude, select the top plane, create circle, give the dimensions 28. This pitch is 76. Here to here 76/2. Select circle again, give the dimension. You can give the equal condition also here to here 62 mm. Give the constraints, vertical constraint, horizontal constraint. Select line, create this side also. This we can give tangent constraint. This also give tangent constraint. Select circle, create dia 9 circle. Give the dimensions. Select 3 circles, give the equal constraint. Trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 10 mm is okay. Select this surface, sketch, create circle, give the dimension, (33 mm), here to here 22. Give the vertical constraint, select line, give the constraint here, give the vertical constraint for this line, trim this line. So finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, length is 70 minus 22. Select this also, 70 minus 22. Okay, again select same sketch, extrude, select this and this, length is 22 mm. Okay, select this surface, sketch, create one circle, dia 16, depth is 54 mm, cutout, here give 54 mm. That's it. Next, select fillet, this surface, distance is R 5 mm. You can select this also. Select this surface and this 3 mm. Okay, give here also 3 mm. Okay, Control 7. These holes are not required, just go back, fillet, select this edge, okay, do this again. So assign the material, metal, in the metal can go with iron, select this one. So you can edit this also like this, as per your requirement. You can change the color here, and also I will change it into steel. So that's it, friends. So I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. So thanks for watching this session, friends.